Let me show y'all some. Let me show y'all. Let me turn off the light. Y'all see it? It's so cute. It's so cute. But anyways, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been an and today I have a new video for y'all.
What am I doing?
All right, we're doing a lace install. This bad baby right here. And okay, so I don't have to cut or pre-pluck. I feel like I need to pluck it, but I think it's pre-plucked already.
I gotta take out these motherfucking braids.
I feel like I've been doing that shit all day. I'm gonna get back at y'all when I take these braids out for sure. Did y'all see how fast I did that? Faster than a...
What you call them fast cars?
Almost. It's crazy because I just cut my fucking hair and it's like the shit gets longer every fucking time. Like it's annoying as fuck. I've done this once and it didn't really turn out well. I kind of had to catfish the wig. We had a HD wig kit. I'm gonna just go ahead and put this bitch on my fucking head. Yeah. Hold on. I can't see. So what's next? Y'all don't want to do this wrong. Oh. It's not working, so I'm gonna just spray it on and put the motherfucking wig on my motherfucking head.
Boy.
I was forgetting, I don't have no band, so I'm gonna just do this. Boom. Oh, look at.
Gonna be bad fuck.
Okay, this is my color for sure. What's the Siki said? Anyways, y'all, I'll get back at y'all. I'm struggling. Like, I should have just got my sister to put it on for me. Instead, I'm trying to make a motherfucking video. Ooh. Okay, that bit. Alright, y'all, now I'm gonna try to figure out where. Oh, y'all know how I go. If y'all lose one more, 6 to 24. Oh, swoop it in.
That other wig I had was fake for sure.
Cause I couldn't do the edges for shit. Like the edges wouldn't lay, believe it or not. Oh, that shit started sticking on. I'm starting to rush now. My mama just asked me to peel the chicken. Hold on. Y'all, so I feel like I need to take it off and put it back on my head. Ooh. So I'm gonna tie this back.
And to make her dance. Push it, make her come. Hit it on the side like a mother.
I don't like how this is looking. I can't find the hair straightener. I'm gonna let it heat up. Definitely not the wig. It's definitely the way I braided my hair. But to be honest, I fucks with it. Most likely when I go to school, I'm gonna have that bitch back. I'm already knowing. But now I'm gonna look like an old lady, so I can't even. But yeah, y'all, that's the end of this video. I think I fixed it. I think it looks good. Ooh. But thank you for watching this video. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're not, welcome back. And turn on post notifications so you can see every time I strike a pose. Mwah, no bars. But anyways, y'all, stay tuned in for the next video because I have a haul coming. I probably will have this lace on. That's really why I'm putting it on. So the way my outfits could like hit, like, you know, with this. But I love y'all. Thank you for watching this video. Mwah.